Alright guys, it's been long enough for this update on this 2013 Silverado that I have here. Just took a little while finding someone to put the cam in it and do all the tuning. Has taken me a while, so anyways, just gonna post an update of the truck. Sit in the background here. So pretty much done with what I'm gonna do to the truck before I sell it. We installed a 2.4 drop kit, BTR stage 2 racing cam, VVT delete and DOD delete. Had it tuned, put a new driver's seat bottom in it, new door panel on the driver's side. It's kind of running out of money on my budget for this build, so I actually just removed the muffler. The truck has 3 converters, so it's still not ridiculously loud and it has a pretty good sound. So I'll show y'all, walk around to the truck now. So all right, kind of looks a lot different from whenever I bought it. She's got a pretty good lope for only a stage 2 cam. With this truck being a 6-speed truck, we didn't have to buy a stall converter or anything for it. Didn't have to change valve springs or nothing. Kind of hear how it sounds. Got the inside detailed up. This truck is a Texas edition, so it does have leather, remote start, and so there's a seat bottom, driver's door panel there. Looks a little better. You can't buy just this handle here, so I had to buy a whole door panel for it. But let's see if y'all can hear the exhaust. I don't know how that sounds on this phone. Probably just sounds like a bunch of noise, but anyway, there's the update on the truck. So stay tuned. I'll keep posting videos of other trucks as I go. If y'all like this, just subscribe, and I'm always buying and messing with these trucks. So thanks for watching.